Enviabo did a great job. Might not be the cheapest builder, might not be the quickest builder, but they'll make sure what they say they can go and deliver, they're going to do to a really good standard. The skylight in the hallway, the light coming in there is fantastic. The new bathrooms are obviously awesome, just having fresh new bathrooms, nice colours. We've got 3 skylights into the kitchen and a huge big feature window, so it's just changed the light in the house. It just feels a totally different house. Now it feels like home. I think that's the best part about it. I think the key thing was that they could manage the whole process and also they could deliver what they committed to. So there was obviously a very detailed contract with timelines in there. It was important that budget was met, timelines were adhered to as close as possible. Enviabo did a great job of meeting those requirements. Yes, I would recommend them. I think one of the key things is the quality of the work is very high. They do take you along the whole process. So if you're looking for someone who's going to be from the very first start, coming up with really good designs, working through those designs with you, and then being able to deliver those and just taking you along that journey, I think they did an excellent job.